Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these two best cell phone provider, which is Verizon and AT&T. So let's dive into it. So Verizon and AT&T are two of the biggest names in United States cell phone market, which offer a strong coverage, fast data speed, and a wide range of plans. Verizon is known for having one of the most reliable nationwide network, excellent rural coverage, and great performance for streaming and calls. AT&T, on the other hand, deliver a competitive speed, strong 5G performance, and often more affordable plan options, making it attractive for budget-conscious users who still want solid coverage. While Verizon shines in reliability and rural reach, AT&T can be the better choice for those looking for value and faster urban 5G speed. Your decision may comes down to where you live and how much you want to spend. So Verizon is for top tier reliability, while AT&T is for speed. AT&T is for better pricing without a sacrificing quality. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.